And with Mayor Munn's swift cutting of the ribbon, the Maribel Davis Library officially reopened. The $5.3 million renovation project began in April of last year. Closing the library in December allowed crews to work faster. As a result, Davis opened earlier than originally planned and saved money.
The public is very happy to have the Davis Library reopened. We have many patrons that use us that live in the neighborhood here, and they're excited the fact that they don't have to drive across town to visit their Plano Public Library.
Voters approved a bond referendum in 2017 to pay for the improvements, which includes a doubling in size of the children's area, a dedicated children's program room, additional study and meeting rooms, and a large program room that's available to rent.
The room can be one giant room that can seat up to 200 people. It has multimedia capabilities. It can be divided in half to two smaller spaces.
No library celebration would be complete without shaved ice and especially bubbles. Welcome back to Davis Library, Plano.